Hello friends, in organic chemistry, chemical bonding. Chemical bonding index discussion of involvement of d orbital in various type of hybridization. Concept of resonance energy. The element in which the last electron enter d orbital are called d block elements. The D block contains 3 to 12 groups and occupies the middle section of the periodic table. There are 4 series of D block elements, namely 3D, 4D, 5D, and 6D. These D block elements are in between S and P block elements as their properties are intermediately between highly electropositive S block element and highly electronegative P block elements. Hence, they are also called transition elements. Involvement of d orbital in hybridization. Hybridization is a mixing and the redistribution of atomic orbital to form hybrid orbital. Hybridization occurs only during bond formation. Number of hybrid orbital formed is equal to number of atomic orbital mixing. Hybridization is based on promotion of electron to vacant higher energy level. Electron present in outermost orbit mainly take part in hybridization. There are 5 types of d orbital which divide into 2 groups. T2G is triply degenerated, lies in between the axes like dxy, dyz, dxz. Example is doubly degenerated, lies along the axis. This is the chart of hybridization. Atomic orbital involve spiral orientation of hybrid orbitals. Type of hybridization sp3d. Atomic orbital involved s plus px plus py plus pz plus dz square is the outer orbital. Spiral orientation of hybrid orbital is trigonal bipyramidal. DsP3 type of hybridization is atomic orbital involved dz square is the inner orbital plus s plus px plus py plus pz, and the spiral orientation of hybrid orbital is trigonal bipyramidal. sp3d square type of hybridization atomic orbital involve s plus px plus py plus pz plus dz square plus dx square minus y square is the outer orbital. Spiral orientation of hybrid orbital is octahedral. D square sp3 type of hybridization atomic orbital involved dz square plus dx square minus y square is the inner orbital plus x plus px plus py plus pz. Spiral orientation of hybrid orbital is octahedral. DsP square type of hybridization atomic orbital involved dx square minus y square is the inner orbital plus s plus px plus py, and the spiral orientation of hybrid orbital is square planar. sp3d3 type of hybridization atomic orbital involved s plus px plus py plus pz plus dxy plus dyz plus dzx, and the spiral orientation of hybrid orbital is pentagonal bipyramidal. And the recollection of basic knowledge of type of hybridization: sp hybridization, sp2 hybridization, sp3 hybridization, sp3d2 hybridization, and sp3d3 hybridization. sp3 hybridization: in sp3 1s 3p orbital combine to form 4 hybrid orbital. S character has 25%, P has 75%. Example CH4 C2H6 bond angle is 109.5 degree. sp3 hybridization, the process of mixing and recasting of one s orbital and 3p orbital of the same atom having nearly same energy to form four equivalent sp3 hybrid orbitals of equal energy having maximum symmetry and definite orientation in space is called sp3 hybridization. These four sp3 hybrid orbitals are directed towards four corners of regular tetrahedron, making an angle of 109.5 degree. Therefore, it is also called tetrahedral hybridization. And the example of sp3 hybridization is formation of CH4 NH3 and H2O molecule and C2H6. sp2 hybridization. When one s 2p orbital combine then two hybrid orbital forms, it is called trigonal hybridization. Having s 33.33 and p is equal to 66.66 character, it forms angle of 120 degree. sp2 hybridization, the process of mixing and recasting of 1s and 2p orbitals of the same atom with nearly equal energies to form three new sp2 hybrid orbitals having equal energy, maximum symmetry, and the definite orientation in space is called sp2 hybridization. These three sp2 hybrid orbitals are oriented along three corners of the equilateral triangle, making an angle of 120 with each other. Therefore, it is also called as the trigonal hybridization. Each sp2 hybrid orbital is more concentrate on the side of the nucleus. And the example is the BF3 BH3 sp orbital. 1s 1p orbital combine to form two hybrid orbital by making angle of 180 degree. Example C2H2BeCl2. S and P character is 50%. It is called diagonal hybridization. sp hybridization, it is the process of mixing and the recasting of 1s and the 1p orbital of same atom with nearly equal energies to form sp hybrid orbitals having equivalent energy, maximum symmetry, and definite orientation in space. The two sp hybrid orbital lie along the straight line but pointing in opposite direction, making an angle of 180 degree with each other. So it is called as linear or diagonal hybridization. Formation of acetylene and the beryllium difluoride molecule can be explained on the basis of sp hybridization. Example is C2H2BeCl2